Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate product image branding in Etsy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate product image branding in Etsy, start by logging into your Etsy account. Once you are on your shop's homepage, navigate to the Shop Manager section. In the Shop Manager, locate and click on the Marketing tab. From the Marketing menu, select Sales and Discounts. Next, find the option labeled Promoted Listings. In the Promoted Listings section, scroll to the Branding options. You will see an area labeled Product Image Branding. Click on the Edit button next to this option. A new window will pop up, presenting you with branding choices. Here, you can upload your logo or other branding images. Make sure your images meet Etsy's required dimensions and formats. After uploading, review how your branding looks with your product images. Once satisfied, click the Save button to confirm your changes. Your product image branding will now be applied to your listings. To ensure everything is set up correctly, preview your shop. Check that your branding appears on your product images as intended. If any adjustments are necessary, you can return to the branding section to make changes. This process enhances your shop's identity and can attract more customers. You're now ready to showcase your unique brand on Etsy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.